OnePlus recently launched the OxygenOS 11 update, which brings ton of new features. Most of the latest line of OnePlus devices have already received an OTA update of this latest version, but there are still many OnePlus devices which have not yet received this version update, and this video is for those users. In this video, I will be showing how you can manually update to the latest OxygenOS version. So, with that being said, this is me Rahul from Tech Daily, and let's get started. The first thing that you need to do to begin this process is to go to the video description and click on the first given link. That link will take you to the official OnePlus website. Here, all the devices will be mentioned and you need to select your device. Once you do that, you will be presented with a page which will show you the latest software available for your OnePlus device. As I have a OnePlus Nord, it clearly shows me the software details like version, release date, update size, etc. Click on the download button and a zip file will start downloading on your phone. Scrolling down, we can see the details of the particular update, like what's new in this update or which bugs have been fixed. Do let me know in the comment section down below if you would like me to make a video on all the new features of OxygenOS 11, and while you're down there, consider subscribing to the channel. Scrolling even further, we get to the How to Upgrade Your System section, which says, download the software build for your device on this page. Please back up your data before flashing your device. Plug your phone into the computer and copy the downloaded .zip file to the phone's storage. If you are using a Mac, you can install Android File Transfer for this operation. After the .zip file is copied to your phone, go to the settings, system update, click the setting icon on the top right corner, choose local upgrade, find the .zip file and click on install to confirm. The update takes about a minute depending upon the file size. Once done, reboot your device to boot into the latest OxygenOS. So, once the file is downloaded, we will do exactly the same. First, we will go to the download folder of our phone and cut the file from there. Then we go to the internal storage section and we simply paste it there. This is also known as the root directory. Once this is done, we will head to the software update section in the setting menu. Then we click on the setting icon on the top right corner and select local upgrade. And then select the file and hit install, and that is it. Your phone will be updated to the latest version of OxygenOS and you will be introduced to all the new features. Since I have already installed this update, it is no longer showing the file in the inventory. So I hope you liked this quick tutorial. If you did, then hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. With that being said, this is me Rahul from Tech Daily signing off.